Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information for Tuesday, February 23rd, and for Wednesday, February 24th. Today, Tuesday, February 23rd, we had a 2-hour delay due to icy road conditions. So the schedule was a little bit screwed up. I went ahead and canceled Google Meets, live meets for today, Tuesday. We will meet again live on Thursday, which is the 25th. Asynchronously, the students at home as well as the students at school worked on the Han Dynasty reading assignment. So when students click on this week's folder and they go into today's folder, which is Tuesday, they will find the Han Dynasty reading question. So when they open it, it will look like this. Students will have 2 attempts at it. This is one of those assignments that the reading is chunked off at the top, so the reading will be in bolded and italics text. The question will be in red, and students will select the multiple choice. There are 11 questions that go with this reading, and once again, students can do this 2 times, and I will take the top score. So students have Tuesday, today, the 23rd, and Wednesday, the 24th, to be working on this. So fully virtual students will be working on this assignment on Wednesday as well as my B-Day students who didn't finish this up during a class on Tuesday. A-Day students on Wednesday will show up to school. You have an opportunity to work on that assignment as well as getting started with the Silk Road Brain Pop journal assignment, which is located in Thursday's folder. So if you go into Wednesday, it's just directions that's going to send you back to make sure that you completed the video from Monday and the assignment from today. So if you have any questions while you are working, feel free to let me know. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see everybody live for our Google Meets on Thursday, the 25th, normal times, normal codes. Talk to everybody soon. Bye, everybody.